Hey guys, hope your Friday is going well. Just had to dust off the shelf, so I had to lay these out and wanted to take a quick video to show you guys up close. A couple vehicles here. Then I've got some elites, well, a lot of elites. And this is probably the most unique because it's customized by myself. Halo 2 Honor Guard. And armor plating made out of beer cans. Some have been repainted by myself, such as this one right here. This is the gold combat. That's actually with nail polish, and a lot of them are with nail polish. Kind of gives it like a nice sheen. For example, this is a blue, that's a metallic blue nail polish. Really nice, really nice. And then you have the stock paint, which is a little bit more on the flat side, more of a satin. But the nail polish one is just pop. Really vibrant colors. The black suit underneath is always, all these have them darkened with marker. Helps make the contrast look a little bit more apparent. This is the most fragile. This is a custom counselor from Halo 2. Borrowed armor and helmet from the Mattel line. And this is probably the most favorite one of the entire collection right here, RTAS VADUM. If you know him in the story, pretty much the most badass elite ever. And yeah, a lot of energy swords. There's a custom ascetic here. A lot of energy swords which I accumulated over the year and a half or so. Customized with Jazwares armor. This guy's from Australia. That was a hard one to find. Some more nail polish here. Just really makes it stand out. I'll go to this side here. Some more elites, and I got some Reach Grunts. I like to think this this squad right here is my spec ops unit here. Inspired by the Halo 2 Arbiter mission where you're hunting the heretic with the spec ops team. This is a custom sniper. I got some ninja swords in the back just cause. Then these two right here are color shifting paint. Sprayed it with a can actually, and it really changes depending on the angle that you're looking at of the light. Goes from like a purple to blue to a teal. Pretty nice. Both of these are painted the same way. Then I got UNSC and ODSTs here. Custom painted, what was this guy's name? Dutch, I believe. Yeah, Dutch. Then I got some regular ODSTs from the Halo campaign. Saved a couple. I have Mickey here at the P90. Obviously not a Halo gun, but it looks pretty cool in his hands nonetheless. Custom ODST from the Spartan Jazwares line. And I got, oh, that looks a little better when I have this here. Here we go. Yeah, so custom ODST Spartan. I got a custom JFO with Power Rangers helmet band and staff. Pretty cool. Silver details. I got the ODST here with the casted shoulder armor because I had to save him. I believe this is a Halo 3 with customized Jazwares shoulders. Basically took him off the chief from here, and I gave him a black wash to match the paint, and it came out really good. He has like that really nice proportion up top. Then I got Sergeant Johnson here at the flamethrower. Then I have the two hunters, both complete with all their back spikes. Then I got some little blast effects for their fuel rod cannons. So yeah, here's the collection. Hope you guys like it. Hope your Friday's going well. Just thought I'd show off a little bit up close of the Elite collection I got, or figure collection. Have a good one, guys.